Here we go.
I'm in there right now. This is a rock tumbler.
Uh-huh.
Bad thing is we have to let this go for 5 days.
What's in the bottles?
So, you mean the barrels?
Okay, well, what's in the barrels?
What's in the barrels are, some rocks.
Mm-hmm.
And also some, where is it? Coarse. And coarse is a sediment, type of sediment thingy. Looks like that. Don't spill it, it will make a big mess.
Mm-hmm.
It's going to be a pretty long video. Yeah.
And so in the barrel,
yeah, so we put so there's some of this in there, and also some water that goes up to almost the tip
of the rocks.
And what the course does is, it's just like sandpaper. It's like you can't sandpaper. You can't use sandpaper to sandpaper rocks. Look at Casey. Look at me. He's just like staring at it.
Oh, what's that, Casey?
He's like, what is it? Yeah. So yeah, this is like a miniature. This is like another version of sandpaper, but used for sandpaper. It's like sandpaper and rocks, but you're just using sediments.
Okay.
And so after the 5 days, we're gonna check it every once in a while.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, these are the barrels.
Mm-hmm.
They're rock. Yeah, they're the same materials in each barrel. And after 5 days, come on, 5 days. I mean, really? Then you will take it out, and then I believe we will add the next material, which
is the medium fine.
And which is medium fine. What does it do?
I don't know what the material actually is, but
what's it do?
Well,
used for smoothing stone surface after initial shaping.
Right.
So I guess that also shapes it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so this doesn't just sandpaper, it also shapes it a little bit.
Right, you'll get the rough edges off.
Yeah, this looks very similar to the ingredient 1.
Mm-hmm.
But it's different. Just by looking at it, you can tell that the particles are smaller.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, this is med fine.
Medium fine.
Medium fine. And once again, used for smoothing stone and stone surface after initial shaping.
Mm-hmm.
And then after that comes the next material, which is pre-polish.
Okay.
This is aluminum oxide. I guess that's what.
That's the chemical.
Yeah, that's the You said there was a chemical in it. You said chemical.
It's a chemical.
Got ya. And it is used to prepare stones for final polishing. So they get them ready for the final polishing. And it looks like baking powder. Do not mistake it for baking powder.
No.
It is not baking powder.
Not baking powder.
So I have to be pretty dumb to mistake it for baking powder.
Yep.
It's funny. Two of the containers, the materials in 2 of the containers are very similar, and the materials in the other 2 look very similar. And the very last container is the polish. Ultra fine aluminum oxide used for final polishing on a pre-polished stones.
Wow.
And it also looks very similar to the baking powder. Do not mistake it for baking powder again.
Right.
And yeah, that's basically the rock tumbler.
Okay, pretty cool.
Yeah. And end the video.
All right.